You're in your kitchen and you have to heat up something in your microwave. And you don't want to disturb anybody else in the family because they don't want to hear the beeping noise while they're sleeping. Because it gets annoying hearing that beeping noise all the time. Well, I can show you how to mute the beeping noise from this microwave, and also unmute it so you can hear the noise if you choose to. So let me show you how. Alright, so we're in front of the microwave right now. The brand name is a Whirlpool. The model number will be down in the description box below. So you want to locate your keypad, which is right here. Now this is what this microwave sounds like when it beeps. The microwave beeps 4 times. It's annoying. Now, in order to mute the beeping, you want to locate number 2, which is right here. And all you want to do is you want to press and hold number 2, but don't press and hold number 2 too hard because you'll damage the keypad. So once you locate number 2 and you press and hold number 2, this microwave will beep twice, but you have to hold the button down 5 seconds. Then this microwave will beep twice. I'm going to locate number 2. Okay, microwave beep twice. Now, what I want to do is I'll just hit number 1. No noise. The beeping's gone. Okay, so what you want to do, open up your door, shut it. Okay, now when you want the beeping back, you just repeat the same process. Push on okay, number 2 again. Push and hold carefully for 5 seconds. This mic will beep twice. Okay, microwave beep twice. All right, now I'm going to do 1. The beeping came back. All right, everybody. So that's how you mute and unmute this microwave. So if anybody out there has this microwave, and if you have friends that you know have this microwave, I hope this video helps. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next video. Bye for now.